See, this was the first sum that we had done. Okay, cash book was not there in the question. A similar sum, again one more sum I will take where cash book is not there in the question. Okay, so look into this. Question number 6. Mr. Penmark does not maintain proper books of accounts. From the following information, prepare a trading account. As simple as that, when you're doing single entry, it means you're converting your single entry into double entry because we are following the conversion method. So, क्या बोला है? Prepare trading and P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as on that date. Okay, so indirectly, what are you doing? You are doing finance. Then debtors, this is the opening balance, this is the closing balance. Okay, so opening balance से क्या बनेगा? Opening balance sheet. Okay, which is known as statement of affairs. And closing balance से क्या बनेगा? Closing balance sheet. Okay, don't forget this. Next, yeah, let me discuss this also. Debtors will be current assets. I mean, why to say that? I'll just write balance sheet asset side, stock balance sheet asset side, and don't forget ये आपका opening stock है, तो ये trading debit में भी जाएगा, and this is your closing stock, so ये trading भी credit side में जाएगा. Okay, yeah, don't forget that. Cash bank, okay, balance sheet asset. Cash opening is given, but closing is not given, so that we will find when we are making the cash book. Okay. Creditors, balance sheet liability, furniture, balance sheet asset, plant and machinery, balance sheet asset, land and building, balance sheet asset. Okay. Next, analysis of other transactions are cash collection from debtors. Okay. So what will be the journal entry to this? Cash account debit to debtors. Okay. So one effect will go in cash, other effect will go in debtors. Cash paid to creditors, so creditors to cash. Salaries, so salaries to cash. Okay, इसका second effect कहाँ जाएगा? P&L account debit. Okay, rent, same, rent to cash. Second effect P&L debit. Office expenses to cash, so office expense to cash. Second effect P&L debit. Drawings will be what? Drawings mein money is going out, right? Now the drawings to cash. Drawings to cash. इसका second effect less from capital. Fresh capital introduced, so cash to capital. Second effect add to capital. Cash sales, so cash to sales. Okay, one effect will go in cash and the other effect will go in obviously trading account credits. Cash purchases, so purchases to cash. Second effect trading account debit. Discount received, journal entry will be, yeah, इसका effect you can give, yeah, this is discount received, this should actually go in creditors, so creditors account debit to discount. Second effect P&L account credit side. Discount allowed, this will be discount to debtors. Second effect P&L account debit side. Return inwards. Return inwards means sales return. Okay, so journal entry will be sales return to debtors. Okay, and second effect will be trading account less from sales. Return outwards, this is purchase return, so my journal entry will be creditors to purchase return. Second effect will be less from purchases, trading account debits. Next, bad debts, so it is bad debts to debtors. Second effect P&L account debits. Next, there is a journal entry, I mean there is a adjustment. Plant and machinery 2%, depreciate plant and machinery by 2%, land by 5%, and furniture by 10%. Okay, so what will be the journal entry? P&L account debit. I mean journal entry, why you need? We'll just show the effects. Okay, P&L account debit side, and second effect, less from plant and machinery. Same goes for land. P&L account debit side, less from land. Then furniture, P&L account debit side, less from furniture. Okay. Then office expenses were prepaid. Okay, so it is having an adjustment to put a star mark. Office expenses are having adjustment. Put a star mark. Prepaid, है ना? So prepaid office expense. Here it is. Your office expense. Your. Okay. So it's prepaid. तो प्रीपेड का इफेक्ट क्या होगा? लेस फ्रॉम ऑफिस एक्सपेंस. सेकेंड इफेक्ट बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड. ओके. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग, फर्नीचर पे भी देयर इज अ व्हाट यू कॉल, या, furniture, plant and machinery, land and building, there is an adjustment. Okay, is this clear to everyone? Question is clear to everyone? Okay, great. Right, now let us start with the sum. First, what are we going to make? Opening balance sheet for sure. Yes. Okay, start writing. Opening balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. If I'm not wrong, that is the date. Yeah, sorry, 31st March 2018. Okay, this is your working mode actually. Yeah. So you can just give a number to it. This is not your main answer. Main answer is to trading system. Assets. First is what? Debtors 31,500. So write down debtors 31,500. Next is stock 17,150. 17,150 stock. This is your opening stock. Okay, don't forget. Next is cash 8750. Cash 8750. Next is creditors 10,500. Creditors 10,500. Next is furniture 3,000. Okay, furniture 3,000. Okay, next is plant and machinery 55,000. Plant and machinery 55,000. Next is land 1,40,000. So land 1,40,000. Okay. Any other information? No, no other information. Okay. So close this ledger. Close this ledger. I mean, it is like a ledger only. It's a statement of affair. So 31,500 plus 17,150 plus 8,750 plus 3,000 plus 55,000 plus 1 lakh 40. So my answer is 2 lakh 55,400. So right here 2 lakh 55,400. Okay, fine. Thank you, Khushi. Very good. 10,500. So 2 lakh 44,900. ये क्या है मेरा कैपिटल का बैलेंस. So the balancing figure is capital 2 lakh 44,900. Okay, 2 lakh 44,900. Am I clear till here? Right. Now what we will make? Now we will make a trading account. Okay. So trading PNL साथ में बनाओ. That will be better. Okay, so this is my trading and PNL account. So just give the heading trading and PNL account. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या बनेगा बैलेंस शीट. ओके. और वर्किंग नोट्स भी बनेंगे इन सपोर्ट टू द यस ऑल दैट इज लेफ्ट. बैलेंस शीट बनेगा एक. Okay, this is your main answer. Yeah, trading and disclosing balance sheet is your main answer. So right here, closing balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. This is my liability, this is amount, this is asset, and this is note. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या बनेगा कैश बैंक. This will be also actually your working note, cash bank. So write your cash bank. Please name it working note number. Okay. Then debtors creditors वो तो by default बनेगा. Okay. This side. Debtors and creditors. Okay, working note number 1, 2, this will be 3. Okay, this is debtors account, and working note number 3 will be creditors. Okay, start. Give second effects, don't forget that. Opening stock 17,150, 17,150. Okay, then debtors का opening 31,500 and creditors का opening 10,500. Opening balance 31,500 and creditors का balance by opening balance 10,500. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट और क्या ओपनिंग है? फर्नीचर, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. ओके, कैश बुक में ओपनिंग इज 8750. कैश बुक 8750. ओपनिंग बैलेंस इन कैश बुक 8750. राइट हियर बाय ओपनिंग बैलेंस 8750. नेक्स्ट भी हो गया मेरा. डेटर स्टॉक हो गया, कैश बैंक, क्रेडिटर्स हो गया, फर्नीचर 3000, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. Yeah, students, now you all can do one thing. If you want, you can make a furniture account, or if you want, you can directly show the effects. It's up to you. Okay. I repeat, if you want, you can show furniture account, or if you want, you can directly show the two effects of depreciation. Okay. I'll prepare it better. Plant and machinery. Okay, this will be my working note number 5. Plant and machinery. Next, working note number 6, land and building. And at last, work. Working note number 7, we'll make it furniture. Okay, it's better we'll make it so that you'll understand whatever I'm doing. Okay, so here you give opening balance of plant and machinery. Okay, how much is it? 55, 1,40,000 and 3,000. So 55,000. Next, land and building opening 1,40,000 and furniture का opening 3,000. Okay. नेक्स्ट ये भी हो गया. ग्रेट. Creditors, furniture, land, everything of the opening is done. Closing stock 23,100. Trading account credit side by closing stock 23,100. Next, इसका second effect will come to closing balance sheet. Closing stock 23,100. Everything will have two effects here. Huh? Yeah, you're converting single entry into double entry. Don't forget that. Data's closing balance is 43,750. Okay, 43,750 closing balance. Write it here. By closing balance 43,750. Okay, and ये इसका second effect जाएगा balance sheet asset side. Data's 43,750. Next, creditors. Closing balance of creditors 7875. Okay, so show it here. To closing balance 7875, and second effect balance sheet liability. Closing balance sheet liability creditors. Show it here now. Creditors 7875. 7875. Next, डेटर्स हो गया, शॉर्ट हो गया. That's it. Okay, now come to your journal entries. Okay, cash to daters 1,07,000. Okay, so come to cash bank. Cash to daters account 1,07,000. Second effect will come in daters. Buy cash. Buy cash 1,07,000. Okay, next, cash paid to creditors. Creditors to cash 77,000. Creditors to cash 77,000. Second effect will go in cash bank. By creditors 77,000. Next, salaries. Salaries to cash 21,000. Okay, salaries to cash 21,000. So cash book में जाएगा credit side. By salaries 21,000. Second effect will be seen in P&L account debit side. Okay, to salaries 21,000. Next, rent 2,700 and office 3,150. Rent 2,700 and office expense 3,150. Okay, take it in the inner column. Second effect, cash. By rent 2,700. 2,700 and office expense 3,150. Okay, there was an adjustment to office expense, and that's less prepaid. Okay, prepaid. How much was the prepaid amount? 150. Okay, so write here 150 and take it in the outro column. Okay, 3,000. इसका second effect किधर आएगा? Closing balance sheet on the asset side. Prepaid office expense 150. Okay, next, drawings. Drawings to cash 5,000. Okay, तो cash में आएगा बाय कैश, कैश अकाउंट में बाय कैश मतलब बाय ड्राइंग्स 5000. सेकेंड इफेक्ट क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट कैपिटल में से लेस होगा. ओके, दिस इज माय क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट. जो भी मेरा कैपिटल है उसमें से ये लेस होगा ड्राइंग्स. कैपिटल कितना मिला था मुझे? 2,44,900. Please write that down. 2,44,900 and less drawings 5,000. Don't forget all this. Next, drawings is done. Next, capital introduced. So cash to capital, cash to capital, cash bank to capital. Okay. What is the amount? 3,500. 3,500. And next, obviously capital में add हो जाएगा. Add additional capital 3,500. Next, sales, cash to sales 3,000. It will come in cash book. Cash account debit to sales 3,000. And second effect, trading account, show it like this. Credit side buy sales cash 3,000. Okay. Next, cash purchases, purchases to cash 8,800. 8,800. Purchases को भी divide करो. Cash 8,800. और इसका second effect आएगा cash book में by purchases 8,800. Okay. Next, discount received, creditors to discount 1,225. Creditors to discount 1,225. Second effect, P&L account credit side by discount received 1,225. Next, discount allowed, तो discount to debtors 525. तो debtors में आएगा by discount 525. Second effect will come to P&L account debit to discount 525. Okay. Next, return inward, sales return to debtors. Okay, how much? 1,750. Sales return to debtors 1,750. By sales return 1,750. Second effect, trading account credit less sales return, show it here 1,750. Okay, whatever the answer will be there, we will take it in the output column. That we will see later. Okay. Next, return outwards. Okay, creditors to purchase return 1,400. Creditors to purchase return 1,400. Second effect, less purchase return 1,400. Take it in the outer column. Okay. Next, bad debts. Bad debts to debtors 350. Okay, bad debts to debtors 350. So by bad debts 350. Second effect, sorry, second effect, P&L account debit to bad debts 350. That's it. All the effects are done. Okay. Nothing is left now except depreciation. Plant and machinery 2%, land and building 5%, furniture 10%. To 2, 5 and 10. Okay. So plant and machinery 2%. Okay. Depreciation by depreciation 55,000 का 2%. Okay. So 55,000 का 2% is how much? 1100. Okay. Then close this ledger. So 55,000 minus 55,000. 53,900. Please write it here. 53,900. So this is what? This is my closing balance of plant and machinery. Okay, don't forget this. 53,900. तो इसका second effect कहाँ दिखेगा? 53,900 का closing balance sheet. 53,900. Directly show it like this. No need to write anything else. Plant and machinery. Just write it. Working note number 6. Okay, like this. Let me suppose working note number 5. Sorry. Working note number 5. Just mention it here. No need to show depreciation. What is that? Opening balance of plant and machinery less depreciation and take it out of the column. We have already shown it in the ledger. Just directly show the balance of figure. Okay. Next. ये हो गया. इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट आएगा ना ट्रेडिंग में, आई मीन P&L में. तो depreciation of plant and machinery. How much? 1100. Okay. Next. Next. Land and building 5%. Okay. So land and building 5%. Show it here. Land and building 5%. So write down here by depreciation 1,40,000 का 5%. So 1,40,000 5% is how much? 7,000. Okay. So close this ledger. So 1,40,000 7,000 कितना हो जाएगा? 1,33,000. Okay, so this is my closing balance of land and building. Okay, second effect where it will be seen, balance sheet 1,33,000. Okay, here land. And you can write here working note number 6. And you can show it in P&L obviously.